Namaskar, myself Vaishnav Sawan. Today's topic is cytology. Cell is a unit of life. It is a branch of study of biology to study the all cell components, the cell structure, the main functional unit. We all know the cell have the totipotency. What is the totipotency? That is the total ability to divide, redivide for living or formation of the another cell as a parent. The cell which do not have the ability to divide or divides in large amount, the cell which do not divides is called as the apoptose, which gets degraded itself, and the cells which divides a lot in high amount or without any limit, the case goes to cancer. So we all know there are two types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Chaton, the scientist, gave these two names, the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. These cells are divided on the basis of nucleus arrangement. The nucleus arrangement gives the two types of cell difference. The following structure of animal cell wall is absent, nucleus present near the center. Usually centrosome is present that helps in the formation of spindle fibers. Plastids are absent, generally tubular in shape. Many vacuoles occur which are smaller in size. Cytoplasm divides by furrowing or cleavage method. Animal cells cannot form all the amino acids, coenzymes, and vitamins. Contractile vacuole may occur to pump excess water. Spindle formed during cell division. Lysosomes present in more amount. The cell components of animal cells are cell membrane, nucleus, nucleolus, vacuole, lysosome, cytoplasm, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum that is smooth as well as rough, and Golgi complex. Next is the plant cell. Cell wall is present. Nucleus usually lies near periphery due to vacuole. Centrosome is usually absent from higher plant cells except lower motile cells. Plastids are present except fungi. Mitochondria is generally spherical or oval in shape. Single large central vacuole is present. Cytoplasm during cell division usually divides by cell plate method. Plant cells are usually capable of forming all amino acids, coenzymes, and vitamins. Spindle fibers formed during the cell division. Lysosome present in less number. The following components of plant cells are Golgi vesicles, ribosomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus. Important is chloroplast. Let's start with the first component of cell, that is the cell wall. Cell wall is only present in plants. Discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 in Cork. Cell wall is the outermost rigid, protective, non-living and supportive layer found in all plant cells, bacteria, cyanobacteria and some protists. It not found in animal cells. Mainly cell wall consists of two parts, matrix and cellulose. Matrix consists of hemicellulose, pectin, glycoproteins, lipids and water. Wall structure is consists of middle lamella, primary wall, secondary wall, tertiary wall. Lamella is the outermost region which functions as a common cementing layer between two cells. It is present on the outer free surface. Primary wall, the young plant cell forms a single layer of the wall material. This layer is primary wall. Grows by interception. The meristematic and parenchymatous cells have primary cell walls only. Secondary wall, in mature cell, more layers of wall material are added internal to the primary wall. This is known as the secondary wall. Tertiary wall, sometimes the tertiary wall is laid down on secondary wall. Example, tracheids of gymnosperms. It composed of the cellulose and xylem. The functions of the cell wall are it maintains shape of the plant cells and protect the cells from machinery injury. It wards off the attacks of pathogens. It provides mechanical support against gravity. It due to the rigid cell wall that the aerial part of the plants are able to keep erect. Let's start with the second part, plasma membrane. Every living cell is externally covered by the thin, transparent, electronic, microscopic, elastic, regenerative, and selective permeable membrane called plasma membrane. Chemical composition is protein, lipoprotein. Protein provides mechanical strength and responsible for transportation of different substances. There are four models: overtone model, sandwich model, Roburston model, fluid mosaic model. Let's study fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane structure. The most important, widely accepted, largest model for plasma membrane was given by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. According to them, it is protein iceberg in the sea of lipids. Some of these are loosely bound to the polar surface of lipid layers called peripheral or extrinsic protein. Other penetrate deeply into the lipid layer called integral or intrinsic protein. Some of the integral proteins penetrate through the phospholipids layer and project on both surfaces. Look the hydrophobic head and hydrophobic tails. Hydrophobic means loving water, hydrophilic means loving water, and hydrophilic means hating. Carbohydrates only occur at the outer surface of the membrane. These molecules are covalently linked to the polar heads of some lipid molecules, as most of the proteins export at outer surface. Functions: it is not only provides mechanical strength but also act as a protective layer. Plasma membrane is responsible for transportation of materials, molecules, ions. It also helps in osmoregulation, that is, providing fusion of gases take place through plasma membrane by simple facilitated diffusion. Water as well as some solute molecules and ion passes through membrane pores, and pores are always bordered by channel proteins. The nucleus. The nucleus, also called as the director of cells. It is the most important part of the cell which directs and controls the all cellular function. Discovered by Robert Brown in 1832 in orchid root cells. A true nucleus with defined nuclear membrane and linear chromosomes is present all eukaryotic except mature membrane RBCs and sieve tube cells of foline. Let's start with the structure of nucleus. It is also called as the nuclear membrane. It is bilayered envelope. Each membrane is about 60 to 90 Armstrong thick, lipoproteus and trilaminar. Outer membrane called eukaryotheca. Origin of nucleus: it is formed by the fusion of endoplasmic reticulum element during the telophase of cell division. The functions of nucleus: it regulates the nucleocytoplasmic interactions. It allows the passes of inorganic ions, small organic molecules, ribosome subunit, RNAs, and proteins through nuclear pores. It maintains the shape of the nucleus. The next is nucleolus. It was the first observed by Fontana in skin cells. The position generally associated with nuclear organizer region of the nuclear chromosomes. The structure nucleolus is distinguishable in following region: chromatin, pes fibrosa, pus granulosa, pus amorpha. The function of nucleolus is it is seed by biogenesis of rRNA and also stores rRNA. It plays important role in spinal fiber formation during cell division. It also receives the ribosomal proteins from the cytoplasm, combines the rRNA and ribosomal proteins to form ribosomal subunits. So it is called as ribosome producing machine or factory. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is well developed electron microscopic network of internet connection citerne tubules and vesicles present throughout the cytoplasm, especially in endoplasm. Ultrastructure is made up of three components: cisternae, vesicles, tubules. The smooth or granular endoplasmic reticulum, it consists of mainly of tubules and vesicles. It is no ribosome associated with it, and the rough endoplasmic reticulum have the ribosomes attached to its cytoplasmic surface. The functions of ER is synthesis and secretion of specific proteins via Golgi bodies, provides surface for synthesis of cholesterol steroids. It helps in glycogenolysis of liver cells. Let's come this next structure component of cells are Golgi complex. Golgi complex is made up of various membranous systems, cisternae, vesicles, vacuoles. The function of Golgi bodies are the main is secretion. So it is large size among the secretory cells, glycosidation of lipids, proteins, primary lysosomes. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a substance occurring all around the nucleus and inside the plasma membrane, containing various organelles and inclusions. Is called a cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is semi-solid jelly-like material. It consists of the aqueous structureless ground substance called a cytoplasmic material or cytosol. As sugar, amino acids. Let's start the powerhouse of ATP, that is the mitochondria. The mitochondria are semi autonomous, having hollow sex like structures present all eukaryotic except mature RBCs of mitochondria is also called as chondriosome, chondroplast, plasmoplast, plasmosomes, plasmochondria. Let's start the ultrastructure of mitochondria. Mitochondria is bound by two units membranes separated by perimitochondrial space. The outer membranes of uh, mitochondria is specially permeable because of presence of integral proteins called porins. The inner membrane is selectively permeable. The inner membrane is folded or convoluted to form the matrix facing phase is called M phase, and the phase towards perimitochondrial space is C phase. The M phase have some small stock particles called oxysomes or F1 particle elements particles. Oxysomes have ATPase enzyme molecules and therefore responsible for ATP synthesis. The reaction of ATP formation is endogonic. These elementary particles are called F0, F1 particles. The F1 particles is made up of five types of subunits, namely alpha, beta, gamma, sigma, and epsilon. Of these proteins, alpha is heaviest. F0 particles. The F0 particle synthesis all the enzymes required to operate Krebs cycle. Look at the mitochondrial structure of inner membrane mitochondria. The perichondrial space are being seen, the outer chamber, the protein layers, the F1 particles can be seen, the mitochondrial crest, the foldings, okay, the respiratory chain and enzymes. Let's start with the plastids. The plastids are semi-autonomous organelles having DNA, RNA, ribosomes, and double membrane envelope. These are the largest cell organelles in plants. Types of the plastids are leucoplast, chromoplast, chloroplast. The leucoplasts are the colorless plastids generally occur near the nucleus in non-green cells. Chromoplasts are color plastic other than green, and chloroplasts are green. The ultrastructure is the double membrane of structure. Both membranes are smooth. The inner membrane is less permeable than outer. The grana inner the plastial membrane of the chloroplast is invested to form the series of parallel membranous sheet is called lamellae. The thylakoid structure and function element of chloroplast. Also, the inner structure thylakoid membrane. There are number of small rounded paracrystalline bodies called quantasomes. Stroma. It is a transparent, proteinaceous, and watery substance. Dark reaction and of photosynthesis occur in the portion. Stroma is also filled with rubisco. CO2 assimilation result in carbohydrates formation. It have 20 to 60 copies of naked circular double-stranded DNA. The functions are it is the site of photosynthesis, photolysis of water, reduction of NADP to NADPH2 in place of granum. Those starch, chloroplast store fats, they maintain percentage of CO2. These are two cells that is the animal cells and plant cells. Look at the differences between them and find out the differences in the comments. Let me know what are the difference between these two cells. We will study the next topic metabolic inactive cells inclusions. Till then take care.